ओके इज फाइन आई गेस। इट डार्क स्पॉट्स है थोड़े बहुत बट ठीक है, लिव हिम अलोन यार, चिल 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 चिल। लेट्स सी और कौन कौन है अंदर। Wish them visitors would just go back underground. Where did you think looks like? Okay, इसके dialogues खत्म हो गए। Yeah, kids, but probably not as much as I should be. The first one, I had no idea what I was doing, screwed it up all. I thought I'd figured it out by the second one, but he turned out the same. Then the third and the fourth, the doctors told me I couldn't have kids. When the second one came, I called him the eighth wonder of the world. But then things got hard. It was awful. I need to shut my eyes. Bro, शी इज़ काइंड ऑफ इररिस्पॉन्सिबल मदर टू बी ऑनेस्ट भाई, जितना भी देख रहे हैं। लाइक इसका एक बच्चा जो हाउस में था वो गायब हो चुका है एंड उसके रिलेटेड कोई डायलॉग नहीं आया हमारे पास। एंड दूसरा इसके डायलॉग्स की एक आया गया, चिंता नहीं, दूसरा आ गया। लाइक बनाते जाओ, मशीन दी है भगवान ने। आए म्याऊ, आजा आजा तू आजा, म्याऊ म्याऊ म्याऊ। पूरी गेम का फन पार्ट अभी हिलेगी तो ना, फ्लफी फ्लफी। हेलो दिस क्यूट या रेडियो रेडियो। Those weren't the ones attacked. Okay. I saw it. I saw what was there. That it wasn't human. Okay. Then visitor, like armed. अगर visitor है, उसने जब उसको कहते हैं राइफल को तोड़ दिया अपने दोनों हाथों से, तो like super strength है, तो why would he come armed? Okay, let's cat food मंगा लेते एक बारी। हम तो खा पी ले। हाँ, खाने पीने का क्या सीन है यार यहाँ पे। लाइक तो अपने घर में बंदे तो बांट रहे हो दबा के, आ जाओ, तू भी आ जा, ये भी आ जा, वो भी आ जा। बट स्टॉक वाइल तो लिमिटेड है ना तुम्हारे पास यार। ऑफ कोर्स डिलीवरी मिल रही है बट उनको तो पे करना पड़ेगा तुम्हें। मेरे को कह रहा है ना बंदा की टिप्स वगैरह, तो लाइक हाउ। हेलो, यू हैव रीच्ड फॉर हिज फूड डिलीवरी। आई एम सॉरी वी कैंट एक्सेप्ट योर ऑर्डर राइट नाउ। ओए हो तो गया एक बारी है। I could use some rest. So what happened when he fucking died? Yeah. What happened to him? कौन पूछता है? I didn't kill him. You didn't kill him, but yeah, she is kind of, emotionally fucked up. Right? Sorry for breaking up dad. Well, let's see this. I know you are right. That was rude. It's just so hard for me to talk about him. I hope those bastards get what they deserve. I hope someone rips them apart. So what happened? My husband wasn't feeling well. He went to the hospital, but they sent him away. Told us to go. Then the family had opened. Okay. All they did was put him in a quarantine. Took his phone away and said they let him out after 3 weeks. I went over there early once just to check up on him. Those bastards. They क्या हो गया? Give me a damn sorry. All they said was he's dead. That was it. They wouldn't let me see his body. They wouldn't let me take him home. But those apes can barely even tie their own shoes. All I had to do was put on a lab coat and walk into the morgue. And he really wasn't there. They killed him. His blood is on their hands. All I can do is now scream that my pity for others has run dry. I like to be alone. Okay, wait. If he was a visitor and वो चीज़ biological agent से फैलती है, तो मे बी शी माइट बी अ विजिटर टू। एक बार इसका वो ईयर वैक्स वाला टेस्ट कर लेते ना। ईयर्स, व्हाट डू यू वांट फ्रॉम मी? एंड क्या देखूँ मैं उसमें? बहुत ही ना वेग है इसमें जो भी साइंस दे रहे हैं ना ये लोग। ओके लेट्स टेस्ट अप। मैंने क्या कर लिया था इसका? आर्मपिट्स फोटो, ईयर्स फोटो ले ली थी, ईयर्स चेक करते हैं। आई हैवंट क्लीन। ओह लाइक क्या वो करूँ मैं, क्या इन्फ्रेंस लूँ मैं इससे? आई एम हाफ डेफ ऑलरेडी फ्रॉम द किस स्क्रीमिंग। देखो द थिंग इज, ये बहाना मार रही है तो आई एज्यूम कि वहाँ पे वैक्स वगैरह होगी। ओए रोंदू, आई वॉन्ट माई मॉमी, यू नीड टू एक्सेप्ट व्हाट हैपेंड। ओके, इसके डायलॉग खत्म हो गए। प्योर केमिकल्स। ओह व्हाट्स दिस? अच्छा एक ही। ओह आई थॉट पूरा वो कर देगा यार। टेस्ट इसको भी कर लेते एक बारी। फोटो, ईयर्स से कुछ पता ही नहीं चल रहा। हैंड, टीथ, आईज में भी। ओके yeah, she's okay. Did you see you sobs? I want a drink. Yeah, it's in. No need to kill her. बेसमेंट में क्या चल रहा है? ओह बेसमेंट का क्या सीन? ओ नीचे कैसे गिर गया मैं? रास्ता है यहाँ पे नीचे। What's this? Pickles? Okay, canned food, fish and all. Okay, I guess I'll just sleep now. और कुछ तो कर नहीं सकते हम। Let's see. Hello, we require more test subjects from you. The sooner we get them, the better. What's going on? हाँ यार, लेके जा रहे कर क्या रहे ब्रो? अगर ओ ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है फैमा वाले ही आपके विजिटर्स हो, ये बंदों को लेके जा रहे हैं, पेल पाल दे रहे हैं, बट वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आ रहा पार्ट। अगर विजिटर्स में इंटेलिजेंस है तो यू नो दे कैन जस्ट इनके कपड़े वपड़े पहन लो एंड आके बोल दो कि या आई एम विद फैमा, दे दिस, बंदे दे दो मेरे को, लाइक फ्री फूड ब्रो, अगर इफ दे आर ईटिंग दम। यू आर इन नो पोजिशन टू मेक डिमांड्स, यू आर ऑल डन नथिंग बट ट्राई टू गेट इन अर वे एंड लुक where that's got us. We recently had to wipe out a visitor colony, a place that used to be my hometown. How long? Okay, when are you going to get rid of visitors? Yeah, they don't know about that. How long is all of the continue? Well, we are still studying the cause of these events. Stay out of our way. Hard to say when things will return to normal. We need to run more tests to keep things under control. Cooperate with us, and this will all be over before you know it. So what now? We need people two to be okay. Fine if it helps. No, I'm done. मना करूँ क्या? For fuck's sake, have it your way. You enjoying the view behind me? There, when stubborn asshole like you get in our way, resist. Okay, we care about the city. Just give us people. That's what a visitor would say. Give us people. Wow. बच्ची को क्यों ले रहे हो ब्रो? You will get them back soon. Thank you. बच्ची को क्यों लेके जा रहे हो ब्रो? उसका तो कुछ शायद ही नहीं था ऐसा. एयरवैक्स का आई डोंट नो. टीथ या टीथ उसके बैठे थे, ढंग से चेक नहीं करा मैंने एक्चुअली ना इसको, फोटो का मेरे को याद नहीं. एंड या शी इज़, आई फील सॉरी फॉर हर टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बट हमें ये भी तो नहीं पता जिनको लेकर जा रहे हो 100% विजिटर है कि नहीं है. मे बी दे आर नॉट, दे आर वापस छोड़ दे रहे हो वैसे भी. सो या वेग रखा है, कोई आ रहा है और कौन है? यस, योर हाउस इज़ परफेक्ट, आई कैन फील इट. वॉट एग्जैक्टली डू यू फील? सही बात है. Death had taken a liking to her house. She's got fond of it. I don't know how many have died here, but her presence is strong. 2 to be precise, I think. 2 or 3. Who are you? Why are you dressed like that? You look like some kind of cultist freak. Yes, perhaps just do. Is that such a bad thing? जब ऐसा कुछ होता है ना, people जो लोग होते हैं अपनी salvation के लिए अलग जगह जाते हैं and वो इन cults को rise देता है मे बी. So I don't know if that a bad thing or not. Maybe they are trying to cope. This is my shroud. There will be need of it once I die. This way there's no need to find cloth to wrap her dead. We don't believe in salvation, not unless it comes from death herself. She is already near. We are simply helping her cross the threshold. So what is it you want? Do you want... no. We must perform the burial rituals in... Okay, your house is perfect for it. Yes. Okay, what's happening here anyway? In any case, let my brother trespass here, protect them. They must survive long enough to complete their tasks. I'm not exactly burning with excitement at the prospect. सही बात है. लाइक एक बंदा रैंडमली आके तुम्हें कल्टिस्ट बोल रहा है कि मेरे बंदों को अंदर आने देना, एंड डेथ कर रहा है. अरे यहाँ पे ये वाला पीओवी ला सकते हो तुम. डेथ वगैरह इतना चौसलेबाजी ह्यूमन ही करेगा. Perhaps you'll end up burning after all. Watch over my people, and remember, if one of them dies, your house will be reduced to nothing. Forgive me, but there would be no other way to accomplish our divine mission. Then I'll just shoot you all. I don't like being threatened. No, I'm not gonna help you, bro. Like, sus to nahi, but I don't like the vibe. Then I'll just shoot you all. You think we few are all that carry the torch of our faith? Others will come. I'll shoot them too. Pew pew. While you sleep, they'll douse the walls in gasoline and strike a match. Okay.
They are gonna pew me, eh?
If you survive the blaze, your house will be gone. Where will you run? So perhaps let them stay. Yes, I doubt it shall take very long. So like game चाहती है मैं इनके बंदों को अंदर आंडू कल्ट वालों को. कौन है? Oh, keep your distance, हाँ. ओए, what are these fingers? अंगुली मारो ब्रो आप. बुलाएं हम. Good, that improves your odds of survival, unless you are a visitor. Who are you? Why aren't you indoors? Who are you, bro? Gun लेके घूम रहा है. Someone who's here to clean up the filth. My neighborhood's dealt with. You don't need to know nothing else about me. Let me guess, is that a broom in your hands? What's with the gear? Is that supposed to make you visitor proof? Yeah. This is humanist necklace. That's a good term. I'll have to start using that. It's a reminder so I don't forget how many houses and how many towns I've purged. तो लाइक ये वही था क्या बंदा जो मतलब फैमा वालों को जो भी बीच में हुआ था कि अटैक कर दिया एंड ऑल. I pull a single tooth from each visitor. They are the easiest trophies to take. And if one really leaves an impression on me, I might take something else. What? So why are you here? How long are you planning to on cleaning the filth? Why are you here? Hold it. You already asked your question, now I ask mine. Anything going on in this neighborhood? Any threats I should keep an eye for? A half-naked visitor and a patrol. यार मैं बाहर देखना भूल जा रहा हूँ यार. फिर उससे रिलेटेड बातें कर रहे हैं. Visitor keep showing up, but I have forgotten. I क्यों बताना है उसको ये? Fema been taking people, no clue. Yeah, Fema के बारे में बताते ना. They know what they are doing. They have got their ways of spotting visitor signs. Why would you bring them up suspicious? I've got someone to check on. I'll be back later. You have piqued my interest. और भी कोई आ रहा है? भाई बच्चे ने बड़ी दम 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 करके खटका दिया. He's not asleep. He should be. Are you lost? Where are your parents? Parents? Don't have any. Never did. Huh? Never did? Are there something we need? या घर जाना है? Wrong smell. Wrong voice. Sorry. This house is wrong. Well, उस बच्चे की क्या कहानी है bro? Good afternoon. You are watching the news. FEMA is currently assisting victims of the quarantine zone attack. Due to overcrowding in existing facilities, the agency has made the following decision. Evacuated residents. अबे यार मैं फिर बाहर देखना भूल गया. Residents will be temporarily housed in buildings on the outskirts of the city. Fortunately, local homeowners are cooperating with FEMA and have offered shelter. I doubt that if they are cooperating or not. बंदे वो छीन के ले जा रहे हैं तो ये भी तो हो सकता है like भर दो इन अंदर. As of this report, only a portion of the escaped individuals have been located. Thankfully, a new identifier has been announced. Okay, bleeding gums. इतने vague. If an individual showing this condition comes to your house, do not engage. Wait for a scheduled FEMA patrol and report the suspect. Do not engage कि हमें ऑप्शन तो दे नहीं रही गेम के लाइक तुम बाहर ही उसे बोल दो कि अपने ऊपर करके दिखा दे. And remember, stay where you are and wait for the okay. A special report. Oh yeah, cult क्या और the visitors aren't just hiding among us. They may be infiltrating our very thoughts. Multiple cities are now reporting outbreaks of organized cult activities. Charges against them include ritual sacrifice, worship of an unknown deity, and possible ties to the visitor themselves. According to these new reports, the cult has taken a public stand against FEMA. What began as harmless evangelizing has now escalated into direct action. Some experts believe that the cult may even be responsible for the recent violent incidents in the city. Viewers are urged to avoid contact with these so-called new believers. Aiding or sympathizing with any cultist may result in arrest or criminal charges. That's the latest for now. Okay, yeah, उन्हें नहीं आने देना. पहले उनको पसंद नहीं और गेम भी कह रही है तो yeah, fuck them. Now let's see कौन कौन है. Yeah, ये दोनों है ना अभी तो बात करते हैं. Yes, was there something you wanted? Are you okay? Okay, इसके डायलॉग खत्म हो चुके हैं. Like कितने टेस्ट कर लोगे? इसके सारे टेस्ट हो चुके हैं मेरे हिसाब से. He's fine, I guess. Armpits. Last test करूँगा इसमें. I'm still with him. Fucking silly, are you moron? Has FEMA blended your brains or are you just blasted? I thought all the stuff was gone already. Well, since you're asking, I'll show you. Yeah, he's chill, bro. Yeah, ठीक है. Chill. It's so goddamn hot. I've got kids at home, and I don't want them to be afraid of me. I don't want them to remember me like this. Let them think I died out in the forest while putting out fires. एक बार इसको भी टेस्ट कर लेते हैं. Sure, Paul, I've nothing to hide. टीथ होंगे नहीं इसके. आईज मे बी. फोटो में तो कुछ नहीं था ना इसका. Should I go with the armpits? Eyes देखते हैं. No problem. Oh, whoa. Red as couple of small coals is from the smoke barrel. Armpits maybe. You short and pretty. Okay. Well, they are technically hairless. Energy drink. दो यार एनर्जी दो. Yep, thank you. एक बार इसको टेस्ट कर. वो लड़की कहाँ गई? एक से बंदे गायब हो रहे हैं ब्रो. कोई मरा है क्या? बॉडी एक सेकेंड. Where is the woman? वो लेडीज कहाँ से दिखी ब्रो? गायब. कल्ट बन गई. कल्ट इन्हें अंदर किसने घुसाया ब्रो? How long will you be staying? Worry not, whom you are in trouble. We appreciate your hospitality. And don't wish to go. You have done so much for us already. We'll be seen through and pray. We need some rest. Okay, you look scared. Are you afraid? You're observant homeowner. Unlike my brother's face, still struggle with fear. Doubt torments me. What lies beyond life? What does it feel like? Our mentor teaches us it's neither heaven nor hell, that it's something else, but I can't grasp on. If even he doesn't fully understand that, will we ever truly understand her? What if reaching her isn't enough? What if she is truly beyond comprehension entirely? But I dare not question our mentor's will, for in his eyes I see confidence and understanding. He asks us to embrace faith and steel our resolve to be ready. Only then can we. ठीक है, death. अबे यार ये 3 बजे के अंदर. Oh, stop. Subscribe the channel. करा नहीं अभी तक अगर. Who are you? Lost soul. Just like the countless others who walk this blighted earth. We yearn for peace, for stillness eternal, and we have found the path to her death. Why do they tremble before her? Is it truly the unknown they fear, or the lashing of a dogma burned into their souls? For millennia, we clawed at the veil, seeking life's meaning, and lo, its answering was simple love. Death is our purpose, and we are here forever. तो जा लो ब्रो तुम लोग और क्या बोलूँगा? Do as you wish. वो बताओ अभी से. Do not obstruct our path. Eyes देखते हैं. These are I hardly see. They are kinda red. I don't like them. इससे बात करते हैं. या इसके तो हो गए ना. They are chill. जिनकी कन्वर्सेशन देखो जिनकी कन्वर्सेशन अभी तक ओवर हो गई एंड वो कुछ नहीं करे तो आई थिंक दे आर सेफ. तो मैं उनको टेस्ट नहीं करूँगा. बाकियों का देखते हैं अब क्या रहता है. या बाहर देख लूँ मैं फिर भूल जाऊँगा वरना. Fema officers stand over the dead dogs. One of them is jotting something down on a tablet. Can a handful of people stop a horde of starving animals? Unlikely. अब मैं बीच की स्टोरी तो मिस कर चुका हूँ यहाँ पे जो इनकी थी. An armed visitor hunter holds a group survivor at gunpoint. He probably stumbled on them by chance. You hear sniffs of shouting and crazed voice yelling. Who will survive this new world? Not those guys. Hey, what's up? A long time no see. How's life? I don't know you. Do I know you? Come on, you really don't remember me? We were hang on your Sunday. Then I remember. How long did you start living here? This house in my family. I think okay. इसको क्यों बताना? I think you have got rotted. No way, I couldn't have. No, damn it. Whoa. Gussa. I guess I did get it wrong. Come on, I wheeled a long ass way to get here. अगर wrong address तो क्यों आना है bro? Not letting me in. We'll fix that. Grab this coffee. Oh. My legs are all the proof you need. See, nothing here, right? Haha. कॉफ़ी दे रही है. कॉफ़ी से क्या यूज़ होगा मेरे को याद नहीं है. ये मे भी एनर्जी मिल जाएगी. देखते हैं चेक करके फैमिली नोटिस पकड़ा देंगे. Looks pretty spacious, mate. 1 hour is. Accept a bribe. Shameless. You feel that? Change is haunting you? Oh, change is haunting me. अपने आप को टेस्ट करते हैं चलो मेरे. And now one of your ick is deathless. All because of a word, one single word. But what a word it is. You know who I mean. Strange thing happened around you. I don't feel anything. Must be tough. Sound like you need help. Why don't we try something new? A gamble of sorts. If there are at least 2 of us inside your house, you will open the door for me. Oh, because dogs reside in their bodies now. Can you? I don't understand. या बात करते हैं ना इससे पता चलेगा. Sorry, very simple. Let's give it a try. But first, you alone? Nope. Well. Even we are a rare sight now. Let alone your kind locked in walls. Change isn't the worst thing coming for you. You don't think I lead the pack, do you? There are far greater things out there. I simply follow orders. Maybe orders किसके? Like ये अभी तक का वो है ना कि मतलब सबसे जिसके आसपास ऐसा बनाया गया सबसे डेंजरस है ये ऑर्डर्स फॉलो कर रहा है. Until we meet again. Yeah, fuck off. Oh, zip. What's wrong with you? Some man looks at you, eyebrow raised. He seemed unable to answer. Did someone see your mouth? What I'm supposed to do with you? He just stands there staring through the peephole. You can't be sure, but his cheeks seem wet with tears. चल आ जा अंदर, देखते हैं इसको क्या सीन है इसका। टॉर्चर करा हुआ किसी ने। हेलो, यू हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल होम हियर, इट्स मच क्वाइट आउट हियर इन द सिटी, एवरीथिंग स्क्रीम्स। आई वाज होपिंग आई माइट बी एबल टू इम्पोज अपॉन यू। व्हाई डू स्टे होम? घर रहा है भाई अपने। आई फील ट्रूली अनवेल एंड आई एम नॉट जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट द gangrene, alas. Each morning I wake, I lie, and I wonder if I'll live to see the next. A tale like mine is best swallowed in one full gulp. The city's noise clings to me like sweat, the frenzy, the scramble. Many desperate chasing a chance, a survival, but out here you have made peace with what's to come. I'd like to die here, slowly, quietly, truly savor those final moments. How did you get gang? What's this? Wait, my query. Should we cut your arm off? क्या होता है ये? ओके, टिश्यू डेथ। इसके हाथ के टिश्यू मर रखे हैं गेस। हाउ डिड या कैसे हुआ? अ फेयर क्वेश्चन फॉर नाउ, आई शैल से दिस। आई वंस लिव्ड विद अ गर्ल आई अडोर्ड, शी चेंज्ड एवरी डे लिटिल बाय लिटिल, and oh it was beautiful until others came, and well, I trust you can summarize the rest. Now I stand here before you alone. आ जा, देख लेंगे। I would, but the cult is already there. They cling forlorn to thoughts of tomorrow. Yet I came to listen to the silent haze of dusk. या उन्हें बाहर निकालो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आ जा ब्रो, तू अंदर आ जा। I don't know if you see the beauty as I do, but tell me, you don't throw the bodies away, do you? Keep mine when the time comes. देखो, इस बंदे ने उन तीनों को एक साथ निकाल दिया। उनकी आंखें लाल हो रही थी, वो बिना पूछे अंदर आए थे। एंड वो लेडी कहाँ चली गई पता नहीं भाई। Hey kitty, hello. Well, I guess save my game here. Use. Nice. Well, यहाँ पे सेव कर लिया अभी। इससे आगे का हम ट्राई करेंगे नेक्स्ट पार्ट में करने का। 3 घंटे की रिकॉर्डिंग हो चुकी है ऑलरेडी। सो मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब आगे का देखने के लिए। एंड अगर अभी तक तुम देख रहे हो तो ज़रूर कमेंट करना कि जो मैं मतलब आई हैव मैनी क्वेश्चंस कि मतलब क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा। मेक श्योर टू कमेंट, आई विल ट्राई टू रीड देम। हैव अ गुड डे, गुड बाय।